Long ago, before the stars watched over Mars like distant eyes, the first humans landed on its rusty red surface. They built a colony, called Nova Terra, where they lived in peace for many years. The colony was a small city made of shining metal domes and winding tunnels, buried deep beneath the dusty land. Life was hard, but it was steady, and the colonists thrived under the pale Martian sun. But one day, during a routine excavation to dig deeper into the planet's crust, something unexpected happened. The diggers broke through a layer of ancient rock and uncovered an enormous, black stone. The stone, smooth like glass, pulsed with a soft, eerie glow. It had been buried for centuries, no one knew how long, or why it had been hidden. Curious, the colony's leaders sent a team of explorers to investigate. Led by Captain Selene, a brave and wise officer, they approached the mysterious stone. As they touched its surface, the ground trembled beneath them, and the stone cracked open, revealing a hollow chamber inside. And inside that chamber, was a creature. Not a human, not a Martian, but something else entirely. It had eyes that shimmered like distant stars, and its body was fluid, changing shape with every breath it took. The explorers could only stare, wide-eyed and trembling. The legends, long forgotten, whispered in their minds. The ancient Martian prophecies spoke of this day. We were never alone in the cosmos. And so, the mystery began, one that would echo through the stars for generations to come. The first contact was not with another human, but with something far older and far more powerful. Something that had watched over Mars, and maybe, all of space, long before humans had arrived. The creature, now gently coiled in the center of the chamber, made no move to attack. Instead, it seemed to observe the explorers with an intelligence that felt both ancient and alien. Captain Selene stepped forward, heart pounding, unsure if they were seeing a new life form or something that had been waiting for them. The creature's eyes flickered with an eerie glow, and then, in the stillness of the chamber, it began to hum, a soft, melodic sound that resonated deep within their bones. It wasn't just a sound, it was a feeling. The explorers felt their minds stretch, their thoughts merging with the creature's song. Visions flooded their senses, visions of starships drifting through vast nebulae, cities built on worlds forgotten by time, and a civilization that had once thrived across the galaxy. The creature was singing the song of its people, an ancient race that had long vanished from the stars. The song spoke of forgotten wars, cosmic migrations, and the rise and fall of entire worlds. They were not the first to tread these lands, nor would they be the last. As the song swirled around them, the explorers realized that Mars was not just a dead planet, but a tomb, a place where the ancient ones had left their mark. The creature, it seemed, had been waiting for someone to uncover the truth. But as the music played on, the ground beneath them began to shake again, stronger this time. From deep within the heart of Mars, something was awakening, something else, far older and more powerful than the creature that had been discovered. The explorers had opened a door they weren't ready to face. The song had led them here, but what lay beyond was unknown, and perhaps, far more dangerous. The creature's final words echoed in their minds, "The stars are watching, and so are the forgotten ones." The adventure was far from over. The first chapter of the legend was only the beginning. As the tremors shook the ground, Captain Selene's mind raced. The creature, once docile, now pulsated with an unsettling energy. Its eyes flared with a blinding light, and it seemed to be calling out, its song intensifying, growing louder with each passing second. The explorers stumbled backward, unsure of what was happening. The walls of the chamber began to shift, revealing intricate patterns etched into the stone. These patterns glowed, matching the rhythm of the creature's song. A sudden realization struck: this was no ordinary alien life form, it was a key. The creature was unlocking something buried deep within Mars. With a deafening roar, the ground split open beneath them, and through the cracks, ancient ships, shaped like crystal towers, rose slowly from the depths. Their surfaces shimmered with starlight, as though they had absorbed the essence of the cosmos itself. The explorers watched, wide-eyed, as the ship slowly began to move, guided by an unseen force. The songs of the creature and the ships now merged, weaving a melody so powerful that it seemed to bend time itself. But the creature began to withdraw, retreating into the shadows of the chamber as the ships rose higher, their ancient engines beginning to hum to life. Celine understood. The creature had called them here to awaken the forgotten ships, the legacy of a civilization that had once spread across the stars, only to vanish into the void. Before the ships could take flight, a flash of light filled the sky. The Martian sun disappeared behind the ships, casting an eerie glow across the land. The explorers realized they were not alone anymore. Watching from the distant horizon were other ships, their outlines faint but unmistakably alien. These ships did not rise from the ground, but seemed to float, waiting. Waiting for something. The songs of the creature faded into the silence of the void as the ships ascended, leaving only a lingering echo that would carry across the cosmos. The explorers stood still, the weight of the moment pressing on them. The secrets of Mars had been revealed, but new questions had risen in their wake. What had they awakened? And who, or what, was watching from beyond the stars? As the first ships disappeared into the heavens, the legend of the Forgotten Ones was written in the stars, an ancient tale of lost civilizations, forgotten wars, and cosmic travelers, destined to continue echoing across the universe. For now, the Martian winds carried the whispers of the past, and the legend remained alive, waiting for the next travelers to listen.